What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DollarMike back at again with another video. And you guys may know that I have a slight obsession with wallets. There's only one wallet review sitting on my channel right now, and that is for the Travando Slim wallet. But since then and in between then and now, basically I've gotten plenty of different wallets, like this wallet right here, like this wallet right here, like this wallet right here, this one I just dropped on the floor, this one right here, as well as like a giant card wallet. So if you guys probably can't tell, I'm pretty big on wallets, but those wallets are cool and all, but they're not the wallet I just got sent, and that wallet is actually from a company called Andar. So of course, when a company actually reaches out to me to try to send me one of their wallets, obviously I'm going to accept. So here is actually the wallet from Andar. Andar is a company, they make wallets and they also make leather accessories. So basically in this video, I'll be doing a little bit of an unboxing, first impressions, and review on the Apollo by Andar. Let's get into it. That's the box right here, and this is the wallet right here. I've been using it for a little bit, about, well, I'd say about 3-4 days now. So let's get into it. Let's start the video. Let's go. Alright, so let's start off with a little unboxing, a little first impressions of the new Andar wallet I just received. Huge shout out to Andar for actually sending me this wallet. This wallet is actually the Andar Apollo in dark brown. So let's do the unboxing first and we'll go over it. And as you can see in the background, if you couldn't tell already, these are actually all my old wallets, all my past wallets that I don't use anymore. This is actually my most recent past wallet that most likely will be replacing. This is the Travando Slim wallet, I believe. This wallet will almost certainly be replaced by this wallet. So let's actually get into the unboxing. Andar, the Apollo. Let's do it. So you guys already know I'm a sucker for good packaging. I think good packaging is very important when it comes to any product. And this is what we got. We got a nice little cardboard box. Nothing special there, but nothing too crazy. I mean, this is all you need for a wallet. It's fine. Either way, you open it up and you can see a nice little Andar logo right there, and thank you for buying their wallet. They also sell all these other different type of leather accessories. So they have wallets, they have AirPod cases, they have phone cases as well, they have little keychains, and they have, looks like little zip ties and stuff to hold your cables and headphones. Looks pretty nice as well. So thank you, Andar, for sending me that wallet. Thank you very much. We got the Andar in a nice little dust bag, which is always nice as well. I'm gonna set this box off to the side right here. So nice little dust bag if I want to ever store the wallet or just keep it safe. This is a all leather wallet, so that is very nice. Let's take it out and see what we got. Oof. And honestly, right off the bat, this wallet, my old wallet right here, actually, before we get into it, my old wallet right here, on Amazon, they said, oh, it's real genuine leather. This is not real genuine leather. I don't know what this is. It's leather-like, but it's not real genuine leather. Either way, this Andar wallet is real genuine leather. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell that from video, probably not, but if you feel it, you know, you could easily tell. But either way, you got the Andar name right there, the logo right there, and you open it up and it's a nice slim wallet. I am a super big fan of slim wallets. We got a couple pockets right here, a nice little money clip, which is also good as well, a place to store your ID and stuff, and as well as a secret compartment right here, which we'll get into in a little bit later in the unboxing. My last wallet review was actually a decent amount of time ago, but as you guys may or may not know, I'm a super big fan of super slim wallets. As you can see, my old Coach wallet right here, it is not slim at all. When you put this thing in your pocket, there is a whole full-blown bulge in your pocket. I'm a pretty skinny guy, so I mean, when you see this in someone's pocket or in my pocket, you can tell it's a wallet in your pocket. You can tell how huge the wallet is because, as you can see right there, this thing is huge. This thing really is not that big. I've had super slim wallets like this piece of paper, basically. It's been pretty solid. I don't even know who this is by, but it's a pretty solid wallet. Super slim, but it's not really, you know, it's cheap. It's just like a piece of cardboard, but I mean, it did the job for the time. Either way, I think Andar really hit home with this one. It's nice leather, it's real leather, unlike my old wallet, and it honestly feels super solid. So let's go ahead and toss some cards in here. The wallet can store up to 10 cards according to the website, so let's actually try 10 cards because I have 10 cards right here. Got my 10 cards right here that we're going to toss in there. So let's actually try to store 10 cards in here, see if they can all fit. I personally probably won't use this wallet to store 10 cards in, but you know, it says it can store up to 10, so let's try it out real quick. Let's do that. And sure enough, we are back. It actually can store a full 10 cards. I have 2 right here, 2 right there in that slot, 2 more in that slot. On the front, there's this front pocket where you just push up like that, and I have 2 there. You can see I have the Wealthfront card there, and I think that's my old DoorDash debit card. And then on the back, it's actually a quick access slot. If you guys could tell, it's a little flab right here. You pull that, or you just pull that tab, and boom, there you go. Cards pop right up. You take those cards out if you ever want to use them. In that case, I have the Acorns card and my one debit card or one bank debit card basically to use. So that's pretty cool as well. And I like the wallet, and it does fit 10 cards. But like I said before, I probably will not use it. It's a little bit of bulge with 10 cards. I mean, it's nothing crazy. Like, it's still not this thing. But I mean, it is a little bit of bulge with 10 cards, but either way, I don't really plan to carry 10 cards. And you can also toss some cash in there as well, which you put right here with the money clip. All you do is pop the money clip down, and go ahead and toss some cash in, close it up, and you're all set to go. I mean, it's not really going to come out or anything like that, so we're pretty good. I like it. I'll take it. And it looks good. Even to the side, it still looks pretty good. It can probably hold a couple more bills. I would say maybe like 10, 20 bills, and you'd probably be pretty set. But either way, I don't plan on using my wallet like this. So let's actually load up the wallet to how I would have it loaded up. All right, and we're back. So now I have the wallet to exactly the way I would personally use the wallet and exactly the way I've been using it actually for the past couple of days. I got this wallet, I believe, on Tuesday. It is now Friday. And overall, 100%, I can say this is my favorite wallet so far. So in the front here, I have my Chase card. If you open it up, I have 2 more cards, one in each slot. I have some cash here, some $2 bills that I'm not going to use. I just put in there for the video. I don't really carry cash too much, but in the event that I need some cash, it goes right there because that's what cash to go. That's what the cash goes. That's simple. Right here, I would normally have my ID, but for obvious reasons, for the video purposes, obviously I don't want to show you my ID. And in the back, I have 2 more cards that just sit in there. I actually had 3 in there before, but I realized I don't actually need to carry those 3 cards. I only need 2 of them. So you pull the tab, pop out, and those are actually those 2 cards, and I can't show you them because they all have numbers on the front, sadly. So tried to find some cards that didn't have any numbers on the front, and I don't have any play cards to use. So either way, that is basically my wallet setup for the Andar Apollo. And if you would actually like to get your hands on one of these Andar Apollo wallets or any of their other wallets, make sure you go and check out their website, because like I said before, on top of them selling male wallets as well as female wallets, they also have phone cases, they have AirPod cases, they have leather key wraps or keychains. They also have leather wraps for headphones or wires or whatever type of leather accessory that you may need to tie up those cables with. From the looks of their website, this actually looks like the most popular wallet they have on there, but this is by far not the only wallet they have on there. They actually have a decent amount of wallets on there. So like I said before, if you don't like this wallet, there may be something else, maybe a little bit thicker, maybe a little bit bigger, that you might like. So definitely check out the website, and you might see something you like. And if you do, or if you want to see something you like and you maybe want to see a review on it, then I could possibly grab another Andar wallet and do a review on that one as well. The Apollo also has RFID protection, so in any case where somebody might try to get your cards or get access to your cards wirelessly, basically all your cards are secure as long as they're in this wallet. The technology simply can't get through this technology. So that's good stuff as well. And there you have it. That is the Apollo by Andar. This is my day one go-to wallet. I love this wallet so far, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to continue to love the wallet in the future. If you actually want to get your hands on this wallet, make sure you hit that link down in my description or down in the comment section, because I'll get a little kickback from each one of the sales I make off of this wallet. So that would be greatly appreciated if you guys would actually purchase it if you want it. If you don't want it, then don't buy it, obviously. But if you would like a wallet and you're looking at something like this, then definitely test it out, try it out. And they have other wallets on the website as well. So that doesn't mean you have to get this wallet. Maybe you can get another wallet, or if you don't like any of their wallets, just let me know what wallet you have down below in the comment section, and we can just talk about it. Because like I said, I got like 20 different wallets, so I enjoy talking about wallets. I enjoy finding the right wallet for me, and I'm pretty sure I can help you find the right wallet for you. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit a like button, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. I also make personal finance videos all across the whole channel, so budgeting, saving, investing, all that kind of good stuff. If you're interested in any of that stuff, make sure you subscribe, make sure you just check out the rest of the channel, because those videos are already live right now. And that's basically it. The secret word for today is actually going to be Andar, so just type Andar down below and I'll know that you watched this video this far. Thank you for watching. I'm out. DollarMike. Peace.